Hello math lovers, welcome to the channel. In this video I have an interesting question related to odd and even numbers. The question is, A is the set of first 10 consecutive natural numbers. Find the number of ways in which a subset B can be formed out of set A such that the sum of all the elements in B is odd. So we are given set A which has first 10 consecutive natural numbers. These numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then we have to find the number of ways in which a subset B can be formed. So this subset B is special in that the sum of the elements of B should always be an odd number. So I have taken one example from among many examples of forming the subset B. So we can take 1, 3, 5, 8 and 10. So if we add this, we get 27. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17 and 17 plus 10 is 27. So we see that if we add all the elements, the sum is an odd number 27. So in this way, how many subset B can be formed from this set A? We have got two ways to solve. The first way is easy and small. The second way is a bit lengthy but very interesting. I will explain it to you step by step, and I am hopeful that you will definitely understand it well. So let's go to the solution number 1. So in solution number 1, we see that there is an equal number of odd and even number in set A. So there are 5 odd numbers and 5 even numbers. So odd number are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So 5 each. And even number are also 5, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now we try to form the subsets of A. So the total number of subsets of A including null set, that means containing nothing, are 1024 in number. So this means that we can form 1024 subsets from this set A. So our logic is that in these 1024 subsets, if we add the elements of each of these subsets, then half of them will be odd and half of them will be even. Half of 1024 is 512, hence the subset B can be formed in 512 ways. So that is our solution number 1. So to make it more clear, now we will do an experiment. So I have this experiment here. So that was using 10 consecutive numbers, but in our experiment we will use less numbers so that we can understand it better. So you can take the set A as having only first 4 consecutive numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the total subsets of A will be 2 to the power 4. There we did 2 to the power 10. Here I am doing 2 to the power 4. So the total subsets of A are 16. What are these 16 subsets? So we are going to see one by one what are these 16 subsets. So the first one is null, in which there is no element. The second one is 1, then after we have 2, then 3, then 4. Then we can take two numbers at one time, that is 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 4. And then we can take 3 elements in our subset, that is 1, 2 and 3. Then after 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then we can take all 4 in our subset. Only one such subset can be formed, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So a total of 16 subsets can be formed from this A subset containing 4 elements. Now we will see the subsets that add up their elements to an odd number. So there should be 8 as we have seen before, that is the half of 16 is 8. So let's see. So the element that add up to odd number. So this is a fair subset, so let's underline it. So this is odd, this is also odd, this is also odd, we have 3. Then after this is also odd, 4 plus 1 is 5. Then this is also odd, 2 plus 3 is 5. Then this is also odd, 3 plus 4 is 7. Then this is also odd, 4, 5, 6, 1, 7. Then we have this also as odd, 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4, 9. So these many subsets add up to odd. So let's count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see that there are 8 such subsets which add up their elements to an odd number. So we see that our experiment is true here. So the answer here is also true. Hence the subset B can be formed in 512 ways. This is our solution 1. So now let's go to our solution 2. We are into solution 2 now, but this will be lengthier than solution number 1, but it is very interesting, so please try to understand. We have seen that our set A has 5 even and 5 odd numbers, and we need to choose elements from A such that the sum of these elements is always an odd number. So regarding the sum being an odd number, whenever we add up any numbers, the sum will always be odd if there are odd number of odd numbers and there are any number of even numbers. For example, we can take 3 odd numbers, 1, 5 and 7. So this is odd number of odd numbers, and we can take any number of even numbers. Suppose we'll take 8. 8 is an even number. We are taking this even number only once. So if we add this up, we get 21, and that is an odd number. As I have told you, there has to be an odd number of odd numbers. So first we will see the total combinations of odd number in that set A, which contains first 10 consecutive natural numbers. Because at most there are 5 odd numbers in set A, so 3 types of combinations are possible. Now if we take the first type, that is taking only one odd number, then there are 5 possibilities. That is, we can take 1, we can take 3, 5, 7 and 9. Then another type of combination is taking 3 odd numbers at the same time. So we have 10 possibilities. That is, we can take 135, 137, 139, 157, 159, 179, 357, 359, 379 and 579. Then we can take all the 5 odd numbers at the same time. There is only one such possibility, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now we have a total of 16 possibilities of odd numbers. That is 5 plus 10 plus 1 will be 16. Now for each of these 16 combinations of odd numbers, now we are going to choose even numbers. So as I have told you earlier that any number of even numbers is possible. That means we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we may not take a single even number also. So let's see how many combinations are there. So the first combination is that we do not take any even number. Our second type of combination of even number is when we take only one even number at one time. So 5 such possibilities are there. So these possibilities are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Then we can take 2 even numbers in our subset B. So 10 such possibilities are there. So these possibilities are 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 10, 4, 6, 4, 8, 4, 10, 6, 8, 6, 10 and 8, 10. Then we can have 3 even numbers in our subset. So there are 10 such possibilities. So these possibilities are 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 10, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 10, 2, 8, 10, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 10, 4, 8, 10 and 6, 8, 10. Then we can add 4 even numbers to the above odd numbers. So these 4 even numbers can be 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 10, 2, 4, 8, 10, 2, 6, 8, 10 and 4, 6, 8, 10. And one more possibility with all the even numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So we have a total of 32 possibilities. Hence our required number of ways will be odd number combinations into even number combinations. So our odd number combinations were 16 and our even number combinations were 32. So 16 into 32 will be 512 ways. Hence our answer is that subset B can be formed in 512 ways. Thank you. And if you have not understood anything, so you can comment me in the comment box. Like this video if you think it is likable, and please subscribe the channel if you think it's worth it. Thank you.